Hey guys, what's up? Welcome once again. In this video, we are gonna be looking at two-way data binding in AngularJS, and I hope you have watched my previous video. If you don't know about this source, where it comes from, then I will recommend you to watch my previous video in which you will come to know about this and this ng-app, that is a directive. So in today's video, we are gonna use a new, directive, and that is ng-model, and we are gonna be watching that model shortly. So now the question is, what is two-way data binding? Two-way data binding can be defined in a way that you don't need to refresh the page. You will get the output what corresponding to the input. Okay, so whatever input you give at the model, the view will be changed, okay, instantly. So you don't have to go refresh the page and then see the output, what is on output. It's not like that. It's like constantly, consistently reacting on the input. Okay, so it will instantly react on the input and it will do the job. So let's get started with this and let's see if we can do with this. So this is our HTML code here. So let's take an input and print it out on our output, and then we'll see that if we get instant replies or not. So let's get started and let's write here input tags, and in here I write the type as text, and what I do, I write ng- model here. Okay, so this is the basically directive for input, and I write here a placeholder as let's say enter your name, and I give this ng-model a name as let's say name. Okay, so that's it. So this will be our input. Okay, the text box will appear here. So let's say if I want to display this this input, whatever user gives inside the input, I want to display it on my output, right? So in a header I will display that, and you know very well that in AngularJS we use these curly braces twice to print out whatever the name is. So in here you can see that this is the name variable, so I will copy this and I will directly paste it here. So I'll paste it, write it here, and before that if I write hello, so whatever the name will be, it will say hello. As for example, if I give in input James, so it will instantly give me hello James. Okay, so now let's save this and let's run our program by going to our desktop where I have saved this app. So when I will open this up, you can see that we have this little box here. So we zoom in so that you can see it clearly. So let's say I write here code beginners. You can see that code beginners is instantly printed out right here in front of hello. So you can write anything you want, for example James, so it says hello James. So you can see that instantly it is giving you the reply, and we haven't used any JavaScript yet. So now let's do another thing, and let's say that in body we give something like this style, and style is the basically CSS property, you can say. So we write here background, and in here we put curly braces twice, and inside we write this ng-model, and that is name. So now what's gonna happen, that whatever we'll give in the background, whatever we will give in the input text, it is gonna affect the background directly and instantly. So let's have a look at that and let's see what it does. So refresh to effect to now what we'll do, we'll write here like we'll write, if we write something, it doesn't affect here in on the background, but if we write a, you can see that if we write a hex code, it affects directly the background color, right? So if we write something like this, or if we write f0 f0 f0, so you can see that background color is changing directly. So currently we have done two things with two-way data binding, and you can do as many things as you want. So these were just the little examples of two-way data binding to give you an overview, or just a concept of two-way data binding. I mostly say that only imitating the code is not necessary. You have to understand. I hope that you have understood each and everything from today's lecture. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.